Hey everyone, Allie G here from Allie G's Everyday Angels Foundation. Let me set this scene for you. It's 100 degrees and we are demoing houses. The catastrophe that you've seen by floodwaters alone is the most humbling experience I have ever seen. I have seen houses completely leveled and demolished. I've been demoing houses all day. I've seen houses burnt down because of a generator fire, and the fire department just couldn't get to the people because of the floodwaters. What you're about to see is some amazing, amazing footage, and this is just done from water from a hurricane, a Category 2. Most families either didn't have flood insurance or they were told they weren't in a flood zone. Blocks and blocks, neighborhood after neighborhood after neighborhood looks like this devastation. New Bern, North Carolina. We came down here as fast as we could. We helped out. We put a smile on a lot of people's faces. Thanks, everyone.
What's up, guys? It's Maddie here from Allie G's Everyday Angels Foundation. We're here today down in North Carolina. As you all know, Hurricane Florence came through, did a lot of devastation. So today, as part of our relief trip, we are down here today in the neighborhoods of Pollocksville, and we are cleaning out houses that have been destroyed. Water lines being higher than I am, and I'm almost 6 feet. Unbelievable. As you can see, the damage here, it's just a mess. And we've been working hard at it. Myself, Allie, we've been going through houses across the street from each other, cleaning out mold, cleaning out furniture, cleaning out floors. I was ripping up floors all day long, 6-7 layers if you can believe that. Unbelievable damage to these houses, but you know what? People are alive, they're gonna rebuild, things are gonna get better. So we just wanted to bring a little taste, show you guys back home what's going on down here, and they still need help. So if you guys are interested, please donate, help out, come down, do whatever you can, and we'll see you guys soon.